Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching the built-in Sticky Notes app, because it's the only way that guarantees system integration and sync. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so notes save and replicate. Once done, press the Windows key, type Sticky Notes, and open it. You'll see a blank note or last used note. Create a new one with the plus button. This step ensures notes appear on your desktop and in the Microsoft ecosystem for later retrieval and search. Now you create and structure the note so it's useful. Click the plus to add a note, then type the core content. Use the formatting menu to bold or italicize a line and choose a color to categorize tasks. Colors act like quick visual tags. If you need an image or link, paste it directly. Sticky Notes accepts basic pasted content. Make sure to resize the note for visibility. Larger notes work for lists, smaller ones for reminders, and colors speed recognition. Finally, keep your notes accessible and resilient by syncing and pinning them. You can leave a note open on the desktop for constant visibility, and the app automatically syncs when you're signed in, so make sure sync is enabled in settings. If a note goes missing, restart the Sticky Notes app, confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account, and check for pending Windows updates. Most issues resolve after a restart or reauthentication. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.